Here's some of the stuff I got apart so far. Yeah, I couldn't. It's got an Allen screw in there. I couldn't find one that fits, so we just cut it off. Still got a little bit of plastic here, gotta get off, but figured I'd bring this back and show you some of it. That looks like brass, but I'm sure it's just metal. Yeah. But anyway, this switch had a lot of neat little things in it. They look like to be all copper. They're still a couple little fingers, just little odds and ends. It's got something in it. We want to take apart here on the screen and see what it is real quick. Quick and easy, huh? Little stuff flying everywhere, but that's what you get when you scrap. Little bits and pieces flying everywhere. Got a couple little pieces of metal. I mean, this is for them micro scrappers that really like to get every little piece out of there. I'm basically just doing it to show you is what's in it. Little complicated switch, all kinds of neat little things in it. Not sure how to get it apart, but this is about the simplest way I found. By the way, these little magnets I got out of this. Pretty neat, huh? And this is copper. So I'll be cutting this off and peeling it out. I'll get everything apart and then we'll come back and weigh what we get. Well, I'll show you all this. We're getting like a snowstorm. Actually, it's lake effect snow. We get that here every now and then. This is one of the bursts that we get. Just thought that'd be kind of interesting for you to see. That's why you hear all that wind and stuff. What did we get? Really a whole lot of nothing. But we'll put it on the scales here and see what it all amounts to be. We'll do the steel first. The steel is, get this in focus, 1 pound 11 ounces. There was one chunk of aluminum, one little piece of aluminum, and it's 0.09 ounces. Well, let me rephrase that. There's 2 pieces of aluminum. So actually that is 0.18 ounces. All the little bits of brass. Is nothing. Okay, for the copper, we got some insulated wire. That's 0.03 ounces. And for the copper itself, which all that is copper, except for that, is 0.08 ounces. So as you can see, really wasn't worth fooling with, but it was something that was neat to see what was inside, and now you know how to maybe take one apart if you ever try. I don't know what's up with these cameras, but I'll eventually find one that works. Oh, thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.